will make a lot.
You know what?
Holy!
I'm actually gonna find the biggest one.
One at a time.
Oh, we're out.
One branch at a time.
No,
Christian,
I
that's
have
the
the
last
last
one.
one.
Christian literally has the last one.
Can we go find more? They're all over there.
No, that's not where they are. Wait, keep that away. No, not yet, Christian. Wait till that one's finished burning.
Wait. Hey, you forgot this part of the other one.
Yeah, I didn't. Oh, I'm sorry.
I need to burn that.
There's one right there. There's like a bunch
Let
of
me move this shit out of the way.
There's a bunch over here and on the top.
There's a bunch on my side.
Now I can put it on.
Like from here, there's a bunch of unburned stuff. There's some right there.
Oh my god, Christian, you put it in too early actually.
That's okay.
It's kind of overload. Okay, I think that makes the most noise now. That's literally like
I have control over all the fire. For 5 seconds.
Look at this. Put it in. Wait, let me help you.
I'm gonna go put in some
Wait,
wood.
stop. Put it in.
Okay,
Put this,
now watch this.
put this end in.
Oh, it's so hot.
I think it's all. I think nothing's more to burn except the sticks now. Wow, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful.
Can I?
So beautiful.
Do we have any more?
I don't think so. I guess we need to go find more.
Is there another focus on it?
We have two
Who turned on the
pokers.
phone?